Hey y'all. So I'm back. Dawn from Pretty Till Dawn. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm about to get ready to go out for the evening and I figure maybe I'll just do a quick film while I'm at it. I don't have any sunlight coming through, and since I just moved to my place, I haven't put up all the lights that I need to put up. New wig. This is the wig. Forever Ultra color. So it came platinum-y like that, but with black top. And this is the back. So it's a 24-inch natural layer. I put I used a 6RN, which is too dark if you want to be this light. It's got like blonde, but a tinge of, there might be a tinge of pink, but I liked that. But subtle enough that I don't think men will notice when they get all picky about which color of your hair, if you know what I mean. So I kept it. I took the 6RN. When it was too dark, I then went in with some Dawn dish detergent and lifted some color. And when I lifted the color, it pulled out more of the red versus the RN neutral. So more of the red came through, and then it was coming through like a pinky purple. Then I went in with Quick Blue, the bleach. Yes, it started out bleached up. Should have known what I was doing. I tried to switch up my color this time. I just didn't like how that formula came out. So I then went in with the Quick Blue bleach with a rubber glove on with my hand and just brushed it through the hair as if it was like shampoo. Brush it through. I just had an eye for the color, like a lot of it was coming up in there with the blonde. And I put it on the roots because the roots were black, and I couldn't do that. So it lifted up the roots to a brown, which I love. And then it took the white with the 6RN on it, lifted it up to this color. So that's how I got it. And I'll show you the bottle. I used Wella color 6RN. I think it was Wella. It might have been Clairol. Okay, but one of those two. And I used a 20 volume peroxide when I did the 6RN. Then I used a 40 volume peroxide when I put in the Quick Blue so that I can quickly go through the hair. And that's at the time then that I put it on the black because I knew it would lift it to brown like that. If you want a bleach that will pick up your black within no time, and you need to stay in the kitchen, buy Quick Blue. Quick Blue, the bleach, and let me go get it. Okay, so this is the color, Soy Fresh. Soy 4-Plex. This is the color, Soy 4-Plex by Clairol, and this is the bleach. It's Quick Blue by L'Oreal. Best bleach out there, and I can name them all, and I've tried them all. This is the one. Okay, sorry, I'm back. All right, I'm gonna have to do, so since I only have 10 minutes to get ready, let's see what I accomplish in 10 minutes for you guys. And whatever I get done, that's how I go out. That sound fun? Yes. Well, my eyes, I'm going to use this. It's old Master Pro palette by Mario. And I don't feel like going to the bathroom, so I'm squeezing some water on my sponge. Yeah. Okay. I don't feel like getting up and wetting it. Okay. I'm telling you, I'm loving how this hair is moving. Look at this stuff. Do you love it? Tell me what you think about this wig. And what color do you see? Maybe it's like that show, you know, the blue dress, the white dress. I don't know. Okay. So what's very important is to have on some foundation. For me tonight, that's what's very important. And some concealer. I'm going to go under with the concealer instead of over the foundation tonight. Okay. No, but he's coming and he's going to blow. Okay, that's not what's happening. That would be the lift. I scheduled it to pick me up at 7 o'clock. Okay. And I like to go over my eye. Over my eye. Okay, so now I'm down to, let's restart the clock. I'm 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes and 15 seconds in. And I'm starting over. Let's see how much makeup I get done. Because all I did was talk just now. Literally, just talk. Oh, I have to sit at this mirror so I can see. Yeah. You know, maybe you can see better too. And in my chin. So what concealer did I use? I used Born This Way. I love the moisture effect of it and how it it's multi-sculpting. And it really feels like that, but it stays in place once you put it on. Technically, if this matches your face, you can be done. And actually, that's what this says. It's conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. Means you can build on it. That means when you get in the afternoon, you're about to go to a happy hour or something, you can, I ain't prepared for real. Do you ever forget to do a step because you're in a hurry? Well, I did. You need to prime. So I'm priming today with Pro Filter B, but I'm just putting it on where I haven't done anything already. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Okay. I mean, I'm such an idiot. I'm not stupid. Oh my God, I'm so crazy. What was I thinking? Where was my mind? I have to go a little bit onto this contour because I need it. I need the primer. It's not going to work or stay. I really believe that because I've been doing it for days now, and it's true. I've been going without the primer every day to work this week, and it's the most miserable situation ever. It looks like I've officially gone through this bottle of Born This Way foundation. See the color? Caramel, like me. My nickname's Caramel Barbie. Okay, so I'm going in. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get the color. Do you see how that just goes right in and blends in? When can I find that? Daggone near never. Never. So, oh my God, the color is just so perfect. You know what I mean? It's not altering. It's literally caramel. I'm just saying you. It literally is like that. I just need a little bit more to do my chin. Please get me something out of this bottle. Please, baby, please. Okay, there. Then my chin. I'm gonna go up. But, I don't really need it. I love how this wig looks. Oh, I guess I should have showed you what it looks like around my edges. Yeah, now I'm messing up my hair. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Yes, I'm gonna put a little powder on in case I run out of time. I'm just waiting for the phone to ring because that's the lift. They'll call you when they're here. At least that's what I put in my comments to make it happen. Okay, so what powder am I using? I am using Fenty powder. The color is banana. And I like banana. I really like it. Under the eyes the most. Yeah. But it just warms down my skin, I feel like. Yeah. This brush is a mark brush, and it's a powder brush. And it's really fluffy. I like it. I like how it feels. Yes. And then I'm going to go in. Ooh, I better put my eyes on because I think I have to. Today I'm just going to do quick sweeps because we're obviously short on time. And I'm going to use, I can't figure out what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm going to use this Golden Triangle Belgium Tools number 765 tapered blending brush. And I'm going into the palette from and I'm going to use two colors. That's what I like to do, right? To show you guys that in 2 colors, you can look fabulous in any palettes. Okay? So that color is Fifth Avenue. Interesting. All right? And so it's light enough that it's coating the bottom. It's coating everything, right? It's adding me a highlight there and everywhere. And you don't have to be super neat with it. I mean, yeah. Because what the ultimate goal is, because this is a golden kind of color, to get it all around is, that's how you can get your highlights everywhere, your base for whatever dark color you put in, and your glowish kind of look. You know, you go a little, let me go slow. Go a little around the eye like that, cover the whole, and come a little this way. A little around the eye like that, around, or out. See? Let me turn this light up. I don't know if it's bright enough. Maybe it is. Maybe it's just too much right in my face. Okay. So that's that. And now, because I really, really, really want to have a contour on today, I'm going to the Caramel Cutie contour. And I'm using this contour brush, Vaseline Tools number 944. And I show you guys this mostly all the time. I go in with a C shaping right around my face to add warmth, right up all the way back to the hairline. Okay. And blend that down in there. You see? I'm staying high on, this is my cheekbone. That's where I'm staying. On my cheekbone with that color. Okay? On my cheekbone. And then I'm going to go around my hairline because I just like that. If you go around the hairline, it gives you a more ovally face, which is technically considered a perfect shape face. Going in again. You know, the cheek. C shape. If you want a guide, use your brow bone. Come down, hit your cheekbone. Okay? I think I got hairspray on my face because this is what happens. Do you see that weird flaw? There's hairspray stuck on my face. Look at it. Watch. Yep, I'm peeling it off. See that flake fall? Hairspray. Great. This is the delay I need. I think I'm going to leave the rest on like it belongs there. All right? And then I'm just going to do a little on the tip of my nose. Yeah. And a tiny bit in case I have to do a selfie in the bathroom. Under my chin. All right? And I'm going to choose my lip right now. This is my lip. Bellin Argent. And I think I got these in a kit. This in a kit. But it's such a pretty red. And it's gloss. Yeah. Thing about glosses, you got to be really careful. Because it bleeds everywhere. So I'm using the tip of this brush because it's a flat tip. You can see that. You see how it goes flat? So this brush allows you to draw, even though it's lip gloss, and just fill in anywhere it looks like it's bleeding. Yes. Gloss. So even if I got interrupted right now and I needed to leave and my alarm went off, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt by Maybelline. Voluminous. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's very weird looking, the brush, as you can see. Okay, not wearing this. Is this blue? No, it's not. It's weird. That blue writing threw me off for a second. But it's a very weird tip. You see how it's flat like that? It's a set of combs going all the way around. So watch this. It scoops them out. That was the first strike. You see that? That was the first strike. Come on, y'all. That's insane. Butterfly effect, that's what this is. It's called the butterfly effect. This is insane. Oh my God. It's grabbing on every single lash. Like it's like I'm brushing my edges. Yo, but on my face, it's a little messy for me, so I need to be slower with it. But look at that. That's the first. Come on. Come on. I look like I'm ready to go, and I only did one eyeshadow. You know why I did one? Because we're running out of time. And when I said this would hit 10 minutes, it'd be time for me to get up and go. We're at 9 minutes and 3 seconds, and I made a mistake. I'm not going to delete this video except for one of the quickies for Instagram. So you're going to see this mistake and how I just keep going with it. Look at that. It strokes on all the hairs, y'all. Oh my God. Look at that. If you go straight up with the brush, you can point them in any direction you want and push them out at the same time from the root. Go down near your eyelid. Push it straight up from the root. Wow. You see how I'm acting like it's my edges? You can just, Now this is what I call a butterfly effect, for real. And it's really creamy and thick. It's coating all my lashes. Creamy and thick. That's crazy. Y'all, this is a 10 out of 10, a 5 out of 5. This Voluminous Butterfly Effect mascara gets a 5 out of 5 stars. Okay. I'm going to go back again with that same brush in Violetta because I have some time. And I just want to add a little depth right over there. That's it. Just a little depth. Go in right where your crease is. That's it. That's all I want to do. You see the difference? See that? See that? See that? See that? Now look, what I say to do. Put it on the brush. Go into the middle of the middle of your lid at the crease only. And if I brought it down a little bit, it's only on the corner. Literally. Come on, I can show you better with this hand. Only on that corner. You don't go any further with that brush. That's it. Now you've added definition. Now you have 2 eyes that are done. And if you want it to come in and pop more, go in with your finger with Fifth Avenue. And bam, your finger adds more pigment. You see that? And I'm going to go in. Watch. You see what it looks like now? I'm going to put it on. You see what it looks like? Okay. Okay. I did not do my brows because I can't find my brow pencil. I haven't been able to find it for days. Can I tell you something? It's crazy. But today I want a line. So I'm going to go in, make my cat eye. Okay, here you go. You take this, one stroke, straight up. Go close to the lid, second stroke, straight up. And then draw one more line, straight up. Okay, and then if it bumped on any of your wrinkles like mine did, you just go very carefully with only the tip. Okay, the phone rang. My ride is here. And the sad part is you can't make a lift wait. So, peace and love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. This is what it took. This was 10 minutes. I went over by 15 seconds because I answered the phone. But this is the look. This is all I can do within 10 minutes. That's the clock. Bye, y'all.